Welcome to one of the world's most advanced luxury cat food manufacturing facilities, ESID across the globe. A symbol of quality that has been built over decades of research and dedication. Quality, trust, and luxury pet nutrition that has been built over decades of research and dedication. Every morning, a fleet of refrigerated trucks arrives at the loading dock. These vehicles carry the straw and beef, freshest raw in centuries. Every morning, a fleet of refrigerated trucks arrives at the loading dock. These vehicles carry the freshest raw ingredients. Alongside the fish come high-grade chicken and beef, all sourced from farms that meet the factory's strict animal welfare and quality standards. Every delivery is logged meticulously. Batch numbers, supplier codes are all recorded in real time, creating a complete traceability trail for every ingredient. Before any ingredient is accepted, it passes through a visual inspection station. Experienced quality controllers check color, texture, odor, and freshness indicators. Samples from every batch are sent immediately to the in-house food safety laboratory. Here, scientists test for protein content. Under the microscope, every potential contamination is identified and addressed. This is the first line of defense in ensuring only the safest ingredients enter production. Ingredients that pass inspection are immediately moved into tin to preserve peak freshness until production begins. Arrival rotation system ensures nothing ever compromises freshness. Beyond the storage rooms lies the heart of the factory, spanning over 10 advanced food processing machinery in the world. From cold storage, the raw ingredients travel along food-grade conveyor systems into the pre-processing zone, where they will be prepared for the first stage of manufacturing. All raw proteins undergo a thorough pre-washing process. High-pressure clean water jets remove surface impurities while maintaining the integrity of the ingredient. This ensures only purest boleth efficient, maximizing digestibility for cats. These powerful machines reduce the raw meat to a fine, consistent paste, the foundation of every premium cat food recipe. The result is a smooth, fresh, protein-rich paste. The color, texture, and consistency at this stage directly determine the quality of the final product. Premium cat food isn't just protein. Select vegetables like pumpkin, peas, and carrots are processed in a separate station. In a separate preparation room, technicians carefully weigh and pre-mix the vitamin and mineral supplements. Now comes the critical blending stage. The ground proteins, processed vegetables, and pre-measured supplements are loaded. The blend becomes homogeneous. Every spoonful of the final product will contain the exact same nutritional profile. This enhances flavor, palatability, and moisture content, making it irresistible even to the most selective cats. A quality moves to cooking replicably for a checklist. Every measurement, every parameter must be confirmed and signed off. The blended mixture is now pumped into massive industrial cooking tanks. Each capable of raw ingredients are transformed into cooked, sterilized cat food. Inside the tanks, the mixture's work time is to create the perfect cooked texture while eliminating all harmful bacteria. The cooked mixture exits the cooking tanks onto transfer conveyors. The color has deepened. The aroma is rich. A product specialist, Partentious Decifferentex, a rolling up and by curious Eurofiment test. The cooked mixture enters the forming station where it is shaped into precise uniform pieces. Each shape is engineered for palatability and ease of eating. Up close, each piece is perfectly formed, consistent in size, shape, and color. Eat with their eyes first. In a parallel process, the luxury of fish or chicken separately. It is cooked down to aromatics and deeply flavorful. The gravy is precisely dosed onto the formed chunks using automatis. This gives the product pieces bathed in premium sauce. The product now moves to the canning line, the precious and filling heat under precision thram in every can. As soon as each can is filled, it enters the seaming machine. In a fraction of a second, the lid is placed and the tea is applied. Some luxury lines come in premium pouches rather than cans. The pouch filling line operates in 2 seconds. Both cans and pouches now enter the retort sterilizer, the most critical step in the entire process. Inside the retort, this process guarantees that no harmful organism can survive inside the sealed container. After sterilization, the hot cans pass through a water spray cooling tunnel, bringing them down to room temperature quickly to prevent overcooking and maintain product quality. Every sealed can is now checked by an automated vision system. Any can within the slightest the seam detected.
Air blowers and software and surface residue, leaving each can perfectly clean and ready for its premium label. The luxury labels are produced in-house on high-resolution digital printing machines. Every label features rich colors, elegant. An automated labeling machine applies each label with millimeter precision. The label wraps perfectly around every can. No bubbles, no misalignment, no imperfections. An automated labeling machine applies each label with millimeter precision. The label wraps perfectly around every can. No bubbles, no misalignment, no imperfections. And there it is. The weeks of sourcing, testing, processing, and crafting all culminate in this single container. Time of production on the base of every can. This information links each product to its complete production history. Every single can passes over an automatic check weigher. If the weight is even specified tolerance, the can is removed from the line. No underweight products ever reach a customer. Before packaging, every product passes through a sensitive metal detector. This critiquing consumers with absolute certainty. Their trained eyes catch what machines sometimes miss: a slightly imperfect label, a small dent, any visual anomaly. Finished product samples are sent back to the laboratory where microbiological testing is performed. Only after receiving a clear all
Approved cans are grouped into multi-packs of 4, 6, or 12. An automated tray packing machine places them into premium printed trays with precision and speed.
Approved cans are grouped into multi-packs of 4, 6, or 12. An automated tray packing machine places them into premium printed trays with precision and speed. Each multi-pack tray is then wrapped in a crystal clear shrink film and passed through a heat tunnel, an attractive retail package. For the ultimate luxury presentation, the multi-packs are also placed into beautifully printed outer boxes.
The finished product box is over it to free choice and the commitment to quality to the consumer.
The branded retail boxes are now packed into outer shipping cases. A Rebecca grows fermentation term. Each shipping case is sealed with strong tape. The case is now ready for its journey to distribution centers worldwide. Pallets in perfect layered patterns. One pallet holds up to 800 kilograms of finished product. Once fully stacked, each pallet is automatically wrapped and keeps it stable during transport. A pallet label containing QR codes, destination information, and batch data is applied to touch of a scanner. The completed pallets move into the finished goods warehouse, a vast, organized space where things are all precisely controlled. Every pallet movement is tracked in real time by the warehouse management system. Operators with barcode scanners update the diggers around the world. Forklifts begin loading outbound trucks, maximizing load efficiency for every shipment.
All right, bring it in!
Clear on the right!
By mid-morning, the loading dock is a hive of activity. One by one, the loaded trucks leave the factory gates. Each one carries a cargo of premium nutrition. Days later, the products arrive at their final destination, the retail shelf. Displayed among competing brands, a cat owner reaches for the premium can, drawn by the quality packaging, the trusted brand, and the promise of the finest nutrition for their beloved pet. At home, the ritual of feeding that fills the kitchen. The product inside looks exactly as premium as the packaging promises.
The food is served in a beautiful ceramic bowl, the chunks glistening in their rich gravy sauce. It looks less like pet food and more like a carefully crafted culinary dish.
And now, the moment that the entire factory, all its science, technology, and care has been working toward. The cat approaches.
And now, the moment that the entire factory, all its science, technology, and care has been working toward. The cat approaches. With every bite, the cat experiences a result of this extraordinary journey moment of satisfaction. This is why it all matters. The bond between a cat and its owner. The trust. The joy that comes from seeing your pet thriving, healthy, and happy. From raw material to premium fare. From factory floor to loving home. Is your cat step of this journey